Hi, my name's Rob Barber from Bodyboard Holidays. Here I am in Sumatra running one of our trips, having a sick time, and I've got 4 tips to help beginners to improve their bodyboarding, their classic mistakes to avoid. Tip number 1, putting your fins on too early. So this is something that you see a lot with learner bodyboarders or new bodyboarders, is putting their fins on at the top of the beach, walking all the way down the beach, kind of looking a bit like a frog, getting to the water's edge, then walking out and then starting paddling too early, okay? What you want to do is carry the fins down the beach. When you get to the shoreline, put your fins on, walk out backwards, okay? When you get to wave step or a little bit above that and you see a lull, start paddling out to sea, okay? That's going to help a lot. Tip number 2, when you're out in the waves, it's really important that when you decide to go for a wave, you 110% commit to it. So that means that you try not to dilly-dally with half-heartedly going for waves that you're not really sure if you're going to get or not, and you don't really give it 110%, but you do waste a load of energy and lose your position. Okay, what you want to do is wait for a wave, go, I'm going to go for this, I'm catching it, this is 110% effort, I'm going to kick as fast as I can, and then catch it, and off you go, and you'll enjoy it, you'll actually save energy in the long run. Tip number 3, make sure you're on the right piece of equipment. If you've got a board that's too small for you, or you've tried to save money and go for a cheap board, a board that's too small for you is not going to be buoyant enough, so it's going to make it really hard. A cheaper board is going to potentially have too much flex. When a board's got too much flex, it can't stay flat. When you lay on it, it bends. When a board bends, it pushes water off and glides across the surface of the water. A flat board is a fast board, okay, so always try and go for a board that's of decent quality, made out of material that's going to keep you buoyant and stay rigid. And the final tip with, to help you improve from the beginner stage is really try and watch some YouTube tips like this and watch bodyboarding, and then you'll learn from those tips that you see. Tips like my channel, there's also lots of bodyboarding online. Watch it and see what the guys and girls are doing, then replicate that. If you can't get in the ocean as much as you want to, watch these clips, they will help and they'll stay in your mind. And then set a few little challenges for yourself when you get to the beach each time, and then you'll see yourself incrementally improving. Of course, you could hit us up for some coaching, that'd be fantastic. But in the meantime, subscribe to the channel, drop us a line if there's anything else we can help with.
If you would like more tutorials, interviews or product reviews, just hit the like and subscribe button. And for more information on our UK and international coaching weekends, retreats, holidays and Outdoor Instructor Academy, visit our website at www.bodyboard-holidays.com, and we look forward to getting barreled with you soon.